In this video you will learn how to label things when you don't have a label maker, a label machine, or anything that a printer or whatever. You have a drive, for example, and you want to label it electrical tape, or a piece of paper and scotch tape, but electrical tape, bright colored electrical tape. You just apply it to your device. This is a hard drive, external hard drive, and I want to write the name of the hard drive that I know as it is, as it should be, so I can easily find it. Here it's up to you how well you want to cut it, if you want to make it really straight. But after you put the electrical tape on your device, use a permanent marker, the thinnest tip you can find, or if it's a big label, you can use a regular size permanent marker tip. And that's the name of my drive. It's not gonna look as good as printed labels, but it's really working perfectly for me, and it's almost free. It's just electrical tape and a permanent marker. A labeling machine is pretty expensive, and the labels also are expensive. Here I use isopropyl alcohol to remove the text, so the text is easily removed if it's written recently. But watch what happens if you let it sit for 1 day at least. The isopropyl alcohol will not remove it, and if that doesn't remove it, maybe only sunlight would be able to remove it. So it's almost like it has a protective cover on top of it. It will not fade away, and if it does fade away, you can just replace it. Remove the old label and write a new one. It's just electrical tape. This permanent marker has 2 tips, and here is my passport black 4 terabyte. That's what it means. Electrical tape is just a generic hardware store electrical tape. The bright colors would be more useful. Don't use black. You can use white electrical tape, red, yellow, any bright color except black. The black, it will be difficult to write with the permanent marker on it, unless you have a paint marker that has a silver or a golden shine to it. So this is it. Electrical tape makes pretty nice labels. You can cut these labels even halfway to make them even smaller. They are very stable in high temperature and low temperature, and you can easily remove them from the device and throw them away when you don't need them. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what label makers you use, or if you use just tape like I do.